Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing my MacBook unboxing. I'm not gonna speak that much so you can get like an ASMR experience, I guess. So let's just get into it now. Okay, so when I opened it, it immediately started up, which was pretty cool. And here, I'm just picking out like my country and just setting up the basics. And throughout the video, if you're wondering my specs of which computer I got, here they are. And then here, I'm just setting up Touch ID. It was pretty simple. I bought this using the education discount package, and at the moment they're having a discount for free AirPods, so these are the free ones. But I also have a Samsung phone, so I guess it's kind of weird using AirPods. And I also got a computer case to put my computer in, just in case I take it outside or go to class. I don't want it to get scratched. What I find pretty funny about the MacBook is that there's no USB port, so I had to buy a special toggle to fit it in. So here's just the final setup of my entire computer. I'm just going to show you some apps I downloaded, including Notion, and then I also downloaded Chrome because I don't like using Safari, which is Apple's default browser. I also had some tabbed links, and this is Momentum Dash if you're wondering how I got this nice looking background. The July background, however, is my own background I made, and it's linked below if you are interested in downloading it. So I also downloaded the Adobe Creative Cloud so I can use the apps. And then here's just the touch bar preview. I thought it's kind of unnecessary, but it's also kind of cool to have. You can pause and play your music, turn up the volume or decrease the volume, change the brightness of the keyboard or change the brightness of the screen. I thought these was kind of interesting, although I don't really use it that much. I do prefer having the keys there, but I guess the touch bar is a cool additive. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you next week. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye!